How you doing, Pamela? This is Eric with Tameron Honda in Hoover. I want to thank you so much for your internet inquiry on this lovely 2018 Toyota Corolla. This vehicle is here and available for you. Just wanted to shoot you a quick video to introduce myself as well as go over a few features. That way you know exactly who we're working with when you take a step inside tomorrow. As you can see on the Corolla, this is the new redesign, so you do get that nice sleek look on the front. LED lights here. When you come around to the side, you do get light blue tires on this vehicle. I want you to take a look on the inside. I know that's what you were looking for as far as the interior goes. You do get this nice black Corinthian cloth. Going to be very, very comfortable here for any backseat riders your son may have. And if you take a look up front, you do get this nice full touchscreen display. It's going to show all of his media options, your backup camera, your Bluetooth, all as well. You do get lane departure warnings, hands-free controls on here as well, USB and auxiliary connections, and a whole ton of other features that I can't wait to go over here with you when you come in. Can't wait to meet you tomorrow around 12:30. If you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to give me a call. My number is 205-756-1005, or you can reach me by email at ejohnson@tameron.com. And Miss Pamela, here at Tameron, we do business one way, and that's the right way. You're going to love the way you're treated.